Damn it, then you're gonna make me get one. I've been close. What the? Gotta go, Orsini. Taxi it out!
Take it off, left, right! No, we're just setting up. We know, we're just setting up.
Get your water shit.
Take off flap.
Looks like you've done that before.
I almost painted
clear.
the big F-16 in that camera.
Really? What? In that camel mine?
The Israeli camera.
Oh.
So that scorpion tail.
Yeah. I mean, it's a cool scheme. It's just like I said, I want it to be. No, it's nothing wrong with it. I just don't have any connection
It's
to
like
it.
that East Coast joke.
Yeah, no connection. So you ready? I'm ready to go. They're clear.
Oh, you guys clear?
Take it up!
Gear up. Flaps up.
Going up.
Oh man, this thing. Lopez!
I'm coming right behind you. Good up!
You guys got special glasses to be able to see your airplane? Dude, they're just right there, just blind me.
We're just. I think we've just gotten used to it.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Well, you just barely got up there.
Yeah, I only get 3 minutes.
That's it, huh?
This pack.
Oh, wow.
It's pulling 140 amps, so. Frank, I'm going opposite. I'm gonna do one downwind. And I'll join up with you on this pass.
This thing flies amazing.
So I'm diving now. You can probably be there with me.
You're right behind you.
Who's the wingman here?
Time remaining 1 minute.
We're kind of all over.
Who's Goose?
This is just a madman flight,
Yeah.
just go crazy kind of thing.
You guys ever buzz the tower?
Yeah, we did that today.
Woo! That was low.
This thing is moving.
Yeah, and you're going to be up a lot longer than I am. I got to come in now.
Time remaining 31 seconds.
Yeah, I'm setting up right now.
Seconds. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Because this is the 5000, so I don't get as much time with this one.
Oh yeah, nope. It feels weird. I might have to come in.
Amazing that radio, that transmitter starts to talk to you.
Yep.
Have you ever met her?
No. If she ever met me, she'd slap me most likely. You don't listen to what I'm saying. Wow! What the heck, you crazy man?
He's trying to pick up the other airplane.
Sheesh. Good Lord, Frank. You almost, yeah, that's the madman for sure. You almost scraped the ground. If you would have had fins, you'd have scraped.
Landing!
You're clear.
Oh my god.
Freaking nutcase, man. Yeah, I said madman flight, and that's exactly what we did.
10.
That was quick.
You're a little, there you go. Now it'll slow down, but you're way the hell down there.
Where's your brakes? Right there.
Right there. That's it.
Boom.
9.
Ah, we got to keep flying, Frank. The weather's perfect.
Dude, let's do it.
Weather's perfect. What are we flying next? Okay. You want me to wait or fly with you? All right.
You had your flights out of this airplane.
I've had this one for almost 4 years.
Oh my goodness.
So it's time
That's been a good one.
yeah, it's time for some repaint.